Alright, now here is something very important, a very critical information for all the Android phone users out there. If you go to your Gmail, you might have received this specific email from Google. What this says is new Android backup storage policy and controls, and this changes something important. Here it says we are reaching out to notify you of an upcoming update to our storage policies along with new controls designed to give you more control over your Android backups. So this is primarily about your backup. The policy update effective in 45 days. All data included in your Android device backups will begin counting towards your Google account storage limit. Photos and videos in Google Photos and MMS data already count towards your Google account storage today. With this change, all the other backup data such as SMS messages, call history, device settings, and app settings will also count towards your Google account storage. The storage used by your device backup may increase once the policy takes effect. If your Google account exceeds its storage limit, your automatic backups will pause until you free up space or upgrade your plan. So basically, our backup storage is getting affected. On Google, we get 15 GB of free backup for our devices, and now that is going to get affected. All this while, the storage used to count only towards the Google Photos or Google Drive for documents and files, but now your SMS, your call history, and device settings and application settings will also count towards your Google account. And that might fill up your Google account storage, making you either free up the space or upgrade your plan. So basically, Google is trying to do their business, and we all saw that coming long ago. And now it's time we start paying for our cloud storages. So that's what Google want us to do. So I wanted to give you a heads up about this. Now, if you are a Pixel user or any other Android phone user, and if you're backing up all your data on Google Drive, then this will affect you. If you're a Samsung Galaxy phone user, you may or may not be updating all your app settings, SMS, and other settings on a Google Drive. You may be doing it on Samsung Cloud. Let me show you this. We've got Samsung Cloud application here. On Samsung Cloud, I have synced all the data here. You can see all these applications, the messages, settings, everything is synced. So Samsung users are definitely safe. Now, if you have not backed up your data on Samsung Cloud and if you have backed up on Google, then you need to be careful. Just go to the settings, scroll down here and tap on accounts and backup. Here we have got Google Drive backup. Just go to backup data, and here you can see photos and videos are by default synced, and other device data. Let's tap on this. It's about 87 MB. We have got the default data like SMS and MMS, call history, device settings, and applications data like all other application data. You can see here the gaming applications or any other app data all are synced on the Google Drive. And all this while, all these items here, app data, device data, were not counted on your 15 GB free storage that you get. But now going forward, all these will start counting towards your free storage. So what you need to do is you can go ahead and disable all these items, stop backing up on your Google Drive, instead back it up on your Samsung's cloud. Samsung anyways offers you 15 GB cloud backup. So just make sure under Samsung Cloud, under backup data, you have enabled all these items like contact, settings, apps, home screen, etc. And under Google Drive, tap on backup and data. Just make sure that the other device data are turned off. But again, if you've got enough storage, if you're on a premium storage plan, then you don't have to disable all of this. But if you're not, if you're running out of storage, then you can go ahead and disable them. And as far as the contacts are concerned, I think it's already covered under your 15 GB quota. You can't do much about it, but rest of the application data, you can always disable. So if you're a Samsung Galaxy phone user, do go ahead and disable it. Samsung offers up to 15 GB of cloud storage anyways. You can utilize that. And if you're a Pixel phone user or any other Android phone user, do check this out, and according to your preferences, you can either disable or keep them enabled under Google backup settings. Now, apart from all this, Samsung also offers unlimited data storage for up to 30 days, just in case if you're giving your phone for repair, or if you're changing your phone, or back up your entire data including your gallery, files, anything that you have on the phone. Unlimited data can be backed up. You can do that on settings, tap on general management, tap on reset, And here we have got temporary cloud backup, backup and restore with Samsung Cloud, backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for up to 30 days or restore data you have backed up. Now this is a premium service, guys, and Samsung is offering this to us, which is just incredible. I don't think any other OEMs offer unlimited data upload to cloud which can be stored up to 30 days. Now these are some premium features that we get from Samsung for which we pay premium, obviously. And this is just one of those premium features that we get. We have got Samsung Knox security, we have got many other Samsung premium services which we get, like your AI features, etc., which we get on the Galaxy phone, and that's why probably we pay a lot of premium for Samsung Galaxy phones. This is something which I wanted to keep you guys posted. Do go ahead and check your email. You would have received this email within the next 45 days. This will come into effect, so make sure you disable those options on your Google backup in case if you're using Samsung phones. If it is any other Android phone, you can check it out and manage it effectively depending on your preferences. That's about it. If you love the wallpaper here on the home screen, this is available on Volverse wallpaper application. There are some insane wallpapers available, both free and premium, and some amazing collections as well. Go ahead and check out the link in the description. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.